Hi there and welcome to A Garden with Tom. So I'm repairing this little patch in the lawn. Firstly, I've watered it to make the ground moist. Then I'm using the mini handheld spreader filled with quality grass seed from Boston Seeds and sowing it into the patch. The seed will stick to the moist ground and then I'm going to quilt it with some lawn dressing from field compost. That will snuggle the seed between the ground and the quilt and assist in the germination process. We should have germination in about a week and then we will repair this lawn. Keep it watered and keep it happy, and to do the same as me, please see the promo codes below. Thanks very much.